What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. Today is July 17th of 2021. So the market had a wild ride this week. A lot of stocks broke all-time highs, and then a couple days later came crashing down pretty hard. We saw a lot of crazy movement both to the upside and the downside. For this week, we're going to get right into the recap, go over the day trades, the theta plays, and of course the swings. So let's get right into it. So if we go over to the swings, here are all of the plays this week. There wasn't like a lot of like buying and selling trades. Lately, we've been getting into like a lot of plays that, we might hold for a couple days or a couple weeks, and that's what we saw a lot of this week. We didn't have too many exits, just a lot of more like entries, you could say, and we're just holding a lot of plays right now, which is a good thing. A lot of them kind of hedge themselves or are not really correlated too much to the market. So let's say the market next week explodes to the upside and breaks all-time highs like we've been seeing, or let's say it comes crashing down to $410. The plays should kind of hedge themselves. A lot of them aren't even correlated to the market, but even those that are, we do have hedges in place through the form of other swing plays. So I'm not really too worried about what the market does next week. A lot of the plays are trending in the right direction. My favorite play, Disney, still doing pretty well. It had a horrible day on Friday, down around, you could say like 3%. A lot of stocks were just bleeding on Friday, but overall it's in a great trend. It's a great company. They have great news. They got upgraded, and they're doing great. So I'm excited to see how this one plays out. And the rest of the plays, they're pretty solid setups. They just need some time. But yeah, I'm excited to see how all the plays play out. Then if we go to the theta section, you can't beat the consistency of the premium selling plays. Really, when you sell puts, I say this every week, you're not going to get rich off of it, but it's a very slow and steady and relatively easy way to make money. There's no shortcut to the market with anything, but selling puts is definitely an awesome strategy, and it'll have the graph looking like this. So Hunter's been doing a great job with this one. Selling puts are awesome. If you have like a couple extra $1,000 in your account, definitely check out selling puts. You can get some pretty great deals out in the market. And then the bot this week, I would say it had a good week. It wasn't like amazing, but it had a good week overall. If we go to July 12th, it had a good play on, what was that? On Monday, bad play on Tuesday, great play on Wednesday, 50% pop on SPY puts. It did an amazing job with that one. Babo was all right, and then Pins was all right. Really, Pins just took forever to play out, but it did end up, popping, which is good to see. So, but it was a good week. Nothing crazy, nothing amazing. But yeah, here's everything for this week. If we go back to the market, we're just seeing a lot of interesting movement, like I said earlier in the video, both the upside and the downside. And I think the market's only going to get crazier next week, given what we saw this week. Some of these tech stocks are at crazy high levels, like Nvidia, Apple, a lot of other ones. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions on the program, you can check out the first link in the description down below. But other than that, have an amazing weekend.